I welcome you all to 12th standard. This year we have 28 chapters. Today we are going to discuss chapter 1 Principles of Management. In this session we are going to learn about meaning of management, concept and definitions of management. Meaning the success of any organization or an individual activities are more decided by the way they manage their functions, duties, and responsibilities. So, management is part and parcel of our day to day our life. For example, wherever you are in playground or library or classroom and so on, we have to plan and manage many of our actions and execute these actions in a systematic manner. So then only we can arrive at the desired results. So management is goal oriented and it is an art of getting things done with and through others. The practice of management helps to achieve the organizational goals. Concept of management, it consists 6 points: body of knowledge, management tools, separate discipline, specialization, code of conduct, and professional association. Body of knowledge, if you have perfect knowledge of management, it will be considered as the best passport to enter the world of employment, either in business world or government or private sector. If you have perfect knowledge, you can enter anywhere in the world. So that knowledge is used as best passport. If you want to get an employment opportunity, or if you want to start your business on your own, whether it is a government sector or private sector. So management has now developed into a specialized body of management theory and philosophy. Second one, management tools. Tools of management have been developed such as accounting, business law, psychology, statistics, econometrics, data processing, etc. These are considered as tools of management. Point number 3, separate discipline. Since 1951, many specialized schools of management, they are offering specialized courses and specialized master degree in business management and administration. They are offering special course, special master degree purposely for management and administration. They are conducting so many seminars, special courses, training programs. So these are becoming fashionable and also popular for orientation and retraining in management area. For example, export management, personal management, general management, production management, marketing management, financial management, etc. These fields, they are providing special training program, they are conducting seminars and also special courses. So these are nowadays becoming fashionable and popular. Fourth one, specialization. Right first person for the right job. While recruiting the employee itself, right from the beginning. To select and appoint highly qualified, trained, and experienced persons. What purpose? To manage the business in each functional areas of management. So then only the organization can achieve their objectives. We have today an increasing tendency in favor of management by experts or professionals. Code of conduct. Each and every business organization has some social responsibilities that should be fulfilled towards customers, employees, and the public or community. Corporations have now social conscience and awareness. Consumer oriented marketing concept is the reflection of the corporate code of conduct. Previously, they have followed buyer beware. That means while buying the product, the consumer should be aware. Before buying the product, they have to check the quantity, quality, price, everything. But nowadays, at present, seller beware in place of buyer beware. Because if the buyer found any default on that product, the consumer may file a case against the seller in a consumer court. So nowadays, seller beware principle is followed. Before selling the goods to a customer, the seller has to check everything: quantity, quality, price. Otherwise, case may be filed by the consumer if they found any default. Last one, professional association. The business management associations in many countries, so they are promoting and spreading the knowledge of management all over the world. So that business management association build up the bright public image of managerial profession. So these are the 6 points related to concept of management. Definitions of management. It is classified into two: generalized definitions of management and precise definition of management. First one, generalized definition of management: input, process, and output. Input of an organization such as human and economic resources. Process. It consists nothing but of managerial functions: planning, organizing, directing, and controlling. Then output, achieving the organizational objectives. So under generalized definition of management, work is performed with and through personnel of the organization in an ever-changing business environment. Principal idea of any school of management. First one, functional school. It sees management as a process of planning, organizing, directing, and controlling. Second one, behavioral school. It is not interested in the process only but rather in the way of process affect the organization. That is, with and through personal or human resources. Third one, quantitative school. It wants to improve the quality of decision making. That means fulfilling the stated objectives of the enterprise. They want to achieve the organizational goals. Systems approach. It concentrates on the entire organization. Entire organization consists three steps: inputs, process, and outputs. Fifth one, contingency approach. It emphasizes dynamic nature of management process in an ever changing business environment. Precise definition of management. The substance of management should be identified as a process. A process is something that a person does. So, in management, we have planning, action, and control cycle. Our definition must incorporate this management cycle. The process indicates the dynamic nature of management. According to Henry Fayol, management is to manage is to forecast, to plan, to organize, to command, to coordinate, and to control. It attempts to describe management in terms of what a manager does and not what management is. According to Peter F. Drucker, management is a multi-purpose organ that manages a business and manages manager and manages worker and work. So Drucker stresses three jobs of management. What are the three jobs? Managing a business, managing manager, and managing workers and work. A manager is a dynamic and life-giving element in every business. Without efficient management, it cannot be secured the better allocation and utilization of human material and financial resources. So the manager has to organize these three jobs: managing a business, managing manager, and managing workers and work. So next topic will be continuing in the next session. Thank you.